Hi everyone, today's video will be very different because I did this in Photoshop. So I was looking for tutorials on YouTube when I came across this video titled Creating Time Lapses in Photoshop Without Recording Your Screen by Gamma Trap. This is something I think a lot of Photoshop users really want, to have time lapse in Photoshop like in Clip Studio. The plugin is called F-Record by FNO. I highly recommend watching his video because I won't be showing how to install the plugin in this video. I'll be linking the resources down below. The guide will have instructions and the zip. I'm using the English font by Eric Galvez. I'm drawing Fufu Wai Dang Lao outfit. This was supposed to be released before 2.0's update, but I didn't have time, so better late than never. There is going to be design discrepancies as I finished this before the 2.0 update, so I didn't have any good references. Fufu was pretty easy since I didn't have to follow the original design, but the problem is I'm not a character designer, so it's going to look weird. ZZZ's rendering is a sum without fancy cel shading. I did have a lot of issues because I'm not used to shade in this style. I did want to make a full illustration with background with this plugin, but I was very worried it wouldn't work because I only tested it with a few strokes on a blank canvas and not a full illustration. So I thought to test it on a simple illustration like this one. I'm very happy with this plugin because it's something that I want, and I think Gamma Trap's video highlights how exciting it is for people who want it. The inside mode is very beautiful, and I'm glad that we have options for time-lapse. There are cons to this though. The export time for 30 seconds and 8 minutes are the same, and it's very long compared to Clip Studio. It took me 30 minutes to export each video, and since I took progress based on your strokes and saves them as images on your drive, it will take a lot of space. For this illustration alone, my folder is 5.5 GB large. After I'm done though, I just clear the whole images. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys find this helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.